Growing apples at home is easier than you think. In this video, we'll guide you step by step to grow healthy apple trees right in your home garden. Apple trees need well-drained, slightly acidic soil. Mix in compost for best results. Keep soil moist but not soggy. Fertilize in spring for healthy growth. Protect your apple trees from common pests like aphids and codling moths. Harvest when apples are firm, colorful, and easy to twist off the branch. Now you can enjoy fresh, homegrown apples straight from your garden.